Okay, so this is the iPhone 7 Plus Rose Gold. So there is a new pull tab to open it for the shrink wrap. So lifting it from the box, documentation is first, and here it is. iPhone 7, the 2 cameras right there. Oh yeah, there's the virtual home button. Your 5-watt power supply. Your lightning earbuds right here with the dongle for headphone jack, and then the lightning connector. And inside of this documentation you have your Apple stickers, this, and then you just have paper just describing that. So that's in the iPhone 7, and that's it. Bye bye.